Go for it.
Today is a big day at the cabin. To do it.
Well, hey everyone, welcome back to the cabin. We've got a good one in store for you today. Last time when we left off here, I was working on the bathroom, and amazingly, we're gonna pick up where we left off because I got La Jefa here keeping me on track, making sure I do things in an organized manner. So anyway, we're gonna get that door in there and then the bathroom will basically be done. So let's get started. So there's what we got here. Got some trim, the door itself, and a cap for it. Oops. Good job, B. All right, there she is. Great modeling. All right, I'll show you guys a couple highlights of that. If you didn't see that video, I'll put a link to it. Otherwise, we'll show about 2 minutes and then I'll get it started installing this. Oh man, it's a snowy day. We got here, it was 34 degrees, and half an hour with the triple threat. We got the fireplace, the mini split, and then in the bedroom we got propane heater going. It's already up 11 degrees.
And Beatrice.
And someone's helping me film. Shaking the camera while I'm trying to talk to you guys. But anyway, we're getting comfortable, so let's get working. Alright, so I haven't cut this tab of drywall off, so that's the first thing I gotta do to get this started. Alright, got that done. Alright, and then I've got some of this drywall that just extends out a little too far here, so we're gonna have to take that off now. So I got this decently well cleaned up. For whatever reason, when I made this tile, I went to the front there, which was dumb, kind of limited the way I have to make this door. So I'll show you what I did. I remembered that. I don't know why I did it that way, but I did. So we have the door outswing into the bathroom, which is fine because the utility room is very small, so that works. But I should have taken that tile at least to the middle of the doorway. Alright, so it's definitely going to fit in. There's some screws here for the hinges that I forgot to grind off, so I'll have to take it back out and figure out a way to deal with that, and then we'll put it back in. Looks pretty good. Pretty happy with this. Alright, I fished through the scrap pile and I got a nice temporary solution until I have the right tools to cut this back and basically move it over. I knew that was going to be a problem, but I didn't take the measurements to build everything properly ahead of time, so I'm going to put 2 nails in this. Alright, so yeah, this is looking good. I know this looks kind of dumb, but I wanted to do something temporary just because temporary around here can end up being 4 or 5 years if you're not careful. So I want to at least get something up there until I can come back here and trim down this tin and move everything over. This is like folded, so I gotta kind of redo everything. Got a little temporary door because I don't have door hardware yet, but this will keep you from seeing that utility room. Yeah, and so what's cool about the louver door is from this angle you can see obviously the air can pass through there, so the batteries will stay warm and everything. And then, you know, you look at it head on, which is what this is, and you can't really see through. Pretty neat. Tea party. Don't want to forget to do that.
We're gonna go pot pot, and then you're gonna get your yumbos.
All right, so this bathroom, it's more or less done. A couple little punch list things to do, but let's go check it out. Hey, you can go out there with Mom.
Better.
What's that?
It's better.
Was there mice in there?
I didn't see any.
Nice.
There's like a little bit of debris over here, but
Did you pull off that air filter cover? Or?
no. I'm scared to do that.
Oh, okay.
Hey! What are you doing?
Little sneaker pants.
No, she can't get back up.
Well, there's nothing in there.
That's good.
But there's definitely been something right there. But I don't see anything in here. Got all my junk in here still. But yeah. Got that last piece sewn in there. So I think what I'll probably do is eventually pull off that shower curtain and maybe either fasten it to whatever trim I put there or move the whole shower curtain up. I'd have to get a longer shower curtain, but I guess that's a Sarah problem. And yeah, we got this little piece that I built a while back in here with these hand cut joints and the trim from this door we put on and made that door a while back. The walnut trim. I like the ceiling in here too. See that? Yeah, it's nice not to have to just look in there and see all that junk in the utility room. If you want to learn more about this door, be sure to check out my build video. I only put about 4 minutes of 2 weeks of work into this video. So I've got a link of that in the description, and there's a link up in the corner somewhere too. It's definitely worth a look. It's a really entertaining video. I think you'll like it. Got a little sneak peek at next week's video, or next video. Who knows if it'll be next week. See if you guys can figure out what that stuff's for. Well, there's another job checked off the list. We really hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.